Hello Japan speaking from 東京。OK, let's evacuate my house.
火事です。火事です。3階で火災が発生しました。落ち着いて避難してください。火事です。
Phew, I got out in time. Now I
3階
must
で
wait
火災
till
が
my
発生しまし
friend
た。
of New Zealand
落ち着
says
いて
it's
避
all
難してくださ
clear.
い。火事です。火事です。3階で火災が発生しました。落ち着いて避難してください。
OK. B area all clear return back into the building also it was a false alarm. Who pulled the fire alarm? Wait. It was Violy.
Grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Get out. We don't want you here and it's none of your business.
I agree. Get the hell out of our household.
Violy. How dare you pull Japanese firearm leave my brother of Thailand without a passport? That it. Your grounded for 1,931,039,300.
Wow. Ikate yo. At Karand, Thailand.